Assalamualaikum students. Hope you all are fine. I am your SST teacher, class 5, month of September, chapter 18, the Great Mughals. Students, I explained the whole chapter in last video. I gave you work in exercise A. Hopefully, you have completed your previous work. Now move to your work, Unit 18, The Great Mughals. Exercise B. Again, I repeated what is Babur. Babur was the first Mughal emperor and founder of the Mughal dynasty. He was the son of Umar Sheikh, ruler of Fargana, a small state in Central Asia. Babur was great military commander, a poet, a statesman and adventurer. He was written in his life story by the title Babur name. After losing his own kingdom to his relatives, he captured a few cities in Afghanistan and made a small kingdom. He also defeated an army Indian kingdom led by Rana Saga, and the foundation of the great Mughal empire were laid. Babur died in Agra, India in 1530. Humayun. Babur's son Humayun succeeded in 1530. He ruled from 1530 into 1540. He was a weak ruler and was the defeated of Sher Shah, an Afghan chief who ruled defeated by Sher Shah. Ruled for 15 years. In 1555, Humayun managed to regain the throne after winning the Battle of Panipat. This is called the Second Battle of Panipat. He died 1556 within 6 months after becoming the king due to a fall from his library stair. Akbar was the greatest of the Mughal emperor. He was only 13 when became the king after death of his father Humayun. Akbar extended the Mughal rule and his famous establishing a strong government. He was himself illiterate, but he was a great promoter of art learning. He gathered many able to intelligent people around him who helped in his rule. Akbar introduced many reforms of government. By the time Akbar died in 1605, his kingdom included most of Indian subcontinent, Balochistan and Afghanistan. Jahangir became the king after Akbar. He made the empire built by his father strong. He was a just ruler and ruled efficiently. Jahangir was a great lover and nature and is considered of the patron of the Mughal painting school. He ruled for 20 years and died 1627. Shah Jahan was the most magnificent emperor of the Mughal. He was remembered for developing the Mughal empire. He spent his time in beautiful Moscow but fought at the Taj Mahal on the most beautiful structure of the world. For his wife Mumtaz Mahal, he died 1666 and was buried next to his wife in Taj Mahal. Aurangzeb Alamgir. Shah Jahan's son Aurangzeb was the last great Mughal. He ruled for almost 50 years and was a religious person. He made many conquests and expanded the Mughal empire. Firstly, Aurangzeb spent most of time in verse, but he was also promoter Mughal architecture. The Badshahi Mosque in Lahore, one of the great example of Mughal architecture built by Aurangzeb. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Soon after Aurangzeb's death, the empire broke up due to the weakness of the Mughal ruler. There were fights among Mughals themselves and with the local princes. Many princes established their own rule within the empire due to weak central government. The last Mughal ruler, Bahadur Shah Zafar, was defeated the British in 1858 and the glory that was one of Mughal empire ended. So students, ये आपके को मैंने अगेन आपको शाहजहां, औरंगज़ेब, बहादुर, शाह जफ़र, औरंगज़ेब, अकबर, हुमायूं, ये मैंने आपको अगेन रिपीट कर दिया है। नाउ मूव टू योर वर्क। एक्सरसाइज बी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वर द एंसेस्टर ऑफ द Mughals? WHO, who, were, 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 the, 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 ANCES, TORS, ancestors of the Mughals, OF, of, THE, the, MUGHALS, Mughals. Answer is the Turk conqueror, THE, the, Turk, 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 CONQUEROR, conqueror, Tamerlane, TAMER, Tamer, LANE, Tamerlane, and the AND and THE, the Mughals, MUGHALS, Mughals. Ruler, 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 GENGHIS, Genghis Khan, KHAN, Genghis Khan. Were, 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 THE, the ancestors, ANCES, TORS, ancestors of the Mughals, OF, of, THE, the MUGHALS, Mughals. The Turk conqueror Tamerlane and the Mughals rule Genghis Khan were the ancestor of the Mughals. Students, आपने क्वेश्चन ब्लैक पेन से राइट करना है और आंसर ब्लू पेन से. राइटिंग शुड बी नीट एंड क्लीन. गिव द 1 finger gap and mention the date in all pages. Now, question number 2. How was HOW, how, WAS, was, THE, the Mughal, MUGHAL, Mughal empire, 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 founded, 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 AND, and, by, 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 whom, WHOM, whom. Answer, Babar, 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 WAS, was, THE, the first, 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 Mughals, 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 Emperor, 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 and AND, and, founder, 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 OF, of, THE, the Mughal, MUGHAL, Mughal dynasty, DYNASTY, dynasty. Reading, RAIDING, reading. India, INDIA. Repeatedly, REPEATEDLY, repeatedly. He defeated, HEDEFEATED, he defeated the, THE, the Sultan, 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 OF, of, Delhi, TELHI. Ibrahim, IBRAHIM, Ibrahim Lodi, LODHI, Lodi, AATA, THE, the battle, BATTLE, battle of, 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 Pani, PANIPAT, Panipat, HEALSO, also, DEFEATED, defeated, ANARMY, army, OF, of, Indian, 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 kingdom, KING, king, DOMS, kingdoms, lead, LED, lead, by, 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 Rana, 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 SANGA, Sanga, this, 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 laying, 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 THE, the foundation, FOUNDATIONS, foundations, OF, of, THE, the GREAT, great, MUGHALS, Mughals, EMPIRE, empire. Babur was the first Mughal emperor and founder of the Mughal dynasty. Reading, India repeatedly, he defeated the Sultan of Delhi. Ibrahim Lodi at the Battle of Panipat. He also defeated an army of Indian kingdoms led by Rana Sanga, this laying the foundation of the great Mughal empire. Now move to question number 3. WHO, who, WAS was, SHER Suri. Who was Sher Shah Suri? Answer, the real, THE the, REAL real, NAME name, OF of, SHER SHAH SURI ISS SURI ISS SHER Sher KHAN Khan. HE WAS was, AN and Aghwan AFGHAN Aghwan. LEADER leader. Who WHO who. Ruled RULED ruled. Over OVER over. THE the. MUGHALS Mughals Mughal. EMPIR empire. AFTER after. Defeating DEFEATING defeating. Humayun HUMAYAUN Humayun INN 1540 AD. The real name of Sher Shah Suri is Sher Khan. He was an Afghan leader who ruled over the Mughal Empire after defeating Humayun in 1540 AD. Now move to question number 4. WHYDID THE the, MUGHALS AL Mughal. EMPIR empire. Break BREAK break. Apart APART apart. Answer, after AFTER AUR ANGZEB apostrophe S Aurangzeb's death. DEATH death. THE the, EMPIR empire. Broke BROKE broke. UP up. Due DUE due. TO2 THE the, WEAK weak and EWS weakness. IF THE the, MUGHAL Mughal rulers. RULERS rulers. THE the, LAST last. MUGHAL Mughal ruler. RULER ruler. BAHADUR Bahadur. SHAH Shah. ZAFAR Zafar Bahadur Shah Zafar. WAS was. DEFEATED defeated. BY by. THE the, BRITISH British. INN 1858 comma AND and. THE the, GLORY glory. ATHAT that. WAS was. ONCE once. THE the, MUGHAL Mughal. EMPIR empire. ENDED ended. Why did the Mughal Empire break apart? Answer, after Aurangzeb's death, the empire broke up due to the weakness of the Mughal rulers. The last Mughal ruler, Bahadur Shah Zafar, was defeated by the British in 1558, and the glory that was once the Mughal Empire ended. Students, ये आपके 4 क्वेश्चन है, ये आपने अपनी कॉपी में राइट डाउन करने. क्वेश्चन ब्लैक पेन से लिखेंगे. अगेन मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, आंसर ब्लू पेन से लिखेंगे. एक पेज पे एक क्वेश्चन होगा. क्वेश्चन के आंसर बड़े हैं तो एक पेज पे एक क्वेश्चन कीजिएगा. लाइन छोड़ के काम कीजिएगा. फिंगर स्पेस दीजिएगा. अगेन मैं रिपीट कर दूं कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको दिए हैं असाइनमेंट में। क्वेश्चन 1 है, हु वर द एंसेस्टर्स ऑफ द मुगल्स? The Turk conqueror Tamerlane and the Mughal ruler Genghis Khan were the ancestors of the Mughals. Question 2 दिया, how was the Mughal empire founded and by whom? Babar was the first Mughal empire and founder of the Mughal dynasty. Raiding India repeatedly, he defeated the Sultan of Delhi, Ibrahim Lodi, at the Battle of Panipat. He also defeated an army of Indian kingdom led by Rana Sanga, thus laying the foundation of the great Mughal empire. Question 3, who was Sher Shah Suri? The real name of Sher Shah Suri is Sher Khan. He was an Afghan leader who ruled over the Mughal empire after defeating Humayun in 1540 AD. Question 5 है, why did the Mughal empire break apart? After Aurangzeb's death, empire broke up due to the weakness of the Mughal ruler. The last of the Mughal ruler, Bahadur Shah Zafar, was defeated by the British in 1558, and the glory that was once the Mughal empire ended. If you have any problem regarding the homework, ask me on WhatsApp. Thank you.